Hi everyone. So today I want to make avocado hair food. Yeah, avocado hair food for my children. Yeah, it's just like hair scrub to use on their natural hair. So these are the ingredients right in front of me. I have fresh tomatoes. I have egg. So for this egg, this is fresh egg. So for this egg, I'm going to be using um the white, not the yolk. Yeah, not that yellow yolk that is inside, just the white stuff. That's what I'm going to use. Then I have my aloe vera. For the aloe vera, I'm just going to remove the gel. Yeah, I'm going to remove the gel to use. Then I have my rosemary here. I have honey here. So this is coconut oil, naturally made. And also this is olive oil. Yeah, this is olive oil. Then I have avocado. I have my avocado pear here, and I have my fresh banana. Then I also have cloves. Yeah, I have my cloves here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend all these things together. I'm going to put my fresh tomatoes, put my aloe vera, the gel, put the egg, not the yolk, the white, the rosemary, the honey. I'm going to put some coconut oil. I'm going to put olive oil. I'm going to peel my avocado and put inside. I'm going to peel some fingers of banana inside. Then I'm also going to put my cloves. So all this, I'm going to put them together in my blender, and I'm going to blend it so it will come out like a puree. Yeah, and I'm going to use it, and then when I wash their hair, I'm going to use it and massage their hair, rub it on their hair, and leave it for like about 45 minutes. Then just wash it. When I'm washing it, this time around I will not use shampoo, because when I will be washing it at first I'll use shampoo. So but the next time, after this puree we stay on their hair for like 45 minutes, I'm just going to wash it off like that without shampoo. Is a hair food. Just as our body, our stomach, our body needs food to stay healthy, our hair also needs food to stay healthy. And you can use it for all types of hair, but it's very, very super effective for natural hair. Thank you. So this is the avocado hair food. Has been blended. I'm going to pour it into my container. You see how it is? Yeah, it came out in a puree form. So this is it. Just when I finish washing their hair, I'm just going to take scoop and massage it on their hair very well. Leave it for like 45 minutes. Then after which I'll just wash with water. So this is the avocado hair food. Very effective for your hair, for natural hair. Very, very effective. When you rub it on the hair, leave it for about 45 minutes, then wash it with just water. Thank you so much.